I first recognized a problem with it when after several months I still found it quite uncomfortable in the muscles here. I never imagined I'd be able to do a deep squat on the balancing board.
Pertama kali dia ngelakuin itu nggak bisa, pasti jatuh.
I'm Chris Umpleby, 71 years old. Currently retired and probably going to stay retired, but previously was the general manager at Senayan Square in Jakarta. I first recognized a problem with it when after several months I still found it quite uncomfortable in the muscles here. I tried swimming, but it has stiffened up. It hadn't actually helped.
Pertama kali aku dengar masalahnya Chris itu sebetulnya aku lebih fokusnya di bahunya dia. Dia ada impingement di bahunya, makanya di bagian gerakan tertentunya dia ada sakit. Jadi aku mau fokus untuk di rehab dulu. Abis itu aku kasih mobility dan penguatan untuk lututnya.
My biggest motivation was when I had a wardrobe full of XL shirts and finding I had to buy double XL. That was my big motivation. When I first had my initial session, I was just expecting it to be normal training like I've had in the past with other trainers. I realized here that I'm working on a tailored program, a program which my trainer has put together, recognizing my age, my not disabilities, but my movement difficulties. Balance is an issue.
Okay. One more. Jadi dia tahu nggak sih kalau misalnya dia lagi jalan, dia tuh bisa lose balance. Nah, itu bahaya banget untuk orang tua. Nah, jadinya aku juga akan fokus pada penguatan core-nya, biar dia pada saat berjalan itu bisa lebih stabil lagi.
So these are all the areas that we've been working on together, and I'm making good progress. Mail comes across as really knowing what he is doing. He's thinking about how to train me in order to help me the best. He's not just thinking about building muscle. It's an all-over program. I think we've probably covered all of my body, mostly from the core, but currently we're working on my legs because my upper body is very strong, but my lower body is pretty weak by comparison. So it's a structured program that I believe Mail does actually care, and he's not just following a textbook approach. He sees me, he sees how I'm progressing, sees my weaknesses, my strengths, and works with that.
Untuk latihan Chris, karena kan Chris itu usianya dia usia 71 tahun ya. Jadi aku nggak akan ngasih di awal-awal itu latihan yang heboh ya latihan yang macem-macem yang aneh-aneh. Jadi pastinya aku akan kasih latihan yang seminim mungkin gerakannya tapi lebih efektif. Setelah itu step by step kita kasih progress. Yang bisa dilihat sampai sekarang dia udah bisa berdiri di atas bosu, berdiri di atas balance board sambil squat.
I never imagined I'd be able to do a deep squat on the balancing board. The very first time I tried to balance on the Bosu ball, I could barely get onto it. But within a couple of sessions I was managing to step onto it and then started to do all the exercises that Mail progressed me through. So from the Bosu ball to the balancing board. Yeah, big success. Very happy, very happy. And it gives me a big sense of achievement as well.
Pertama kali dia ngelakuin itu nggak bisa. Pertama kali itu dia nggak bisa. Dia tuh pasti jatuh. Go down, go down. Oh, good. Yes, yes. And yang tadi aku bilang, dia tuh punya masalah di core yang lemah. Makanya dia cari balance tuh dia susah. Dan aku ngelihat dia bisa berdiri di atas balance board, ditambah dengan squat, itu bangga banget sih. Latihan yang sulit menurut aku itu resistance band up and down. Kayak gini. Jadi dia itu, kan dia ada masalah di bahu. Sedangkan pada saat di gerakan tertentu itu dia sakit tuh. Gimana caranya aku ngasih motivasi Chris untuk bisa ngelakuin hal itu. Ya, nah aku kasih regressionnya dulu dengan kasih dia resistance band warna merah. Nah, untuk bisa dia ngelakuin up and down pakai resistance band agar memberi mobilitas yang lebih di bagian bahunya. Tapi step by step dia sekarang udah makin membaik.
Okay, three words that I think describe Mail very well. One, he does genuinely care about his students. Yeah? Two, he is thoughtful and planning how to improve the progress of myself and of course all his other students as well. And thirdly, he's a nice guy. I enjoy working with him, and that's critical. The coach trainee relationship is absolutely essential. You have to have a good communication, have a laugh, enjoy it, working together.
Jadi yang di sini yang pastinya aku tekankan ke Chris, nggak usah buru-buru, step by step. Yang penting fokus dulu pada tekniknya dan gerakan yang dia lakuin. Itu tuh dia ngerasain nggak sih muscle connectionnya. Kalau Paradigm Fitness itu diuntungkannya kita itu ada yang namanya PHA atau Parameter Health Analysis. Itu tuh semacam assessment yang diberikan kepada klien untuk memberikan program yang tepat. Dari assessment tersebut kita bisa melihat kelebihan serta kekurangan dari klien ataupun fitness level klien sehingga kita bisa memasukkan program yang tepat.
Yes, it has exceeded my expectations in terms of what I've managed to personally achieve, far exceeding my expectations on that. But altogether, it's also a nice thing to be doing because my wife and I do it together. It's like a hobby. We come here, we can share the time. So in terms of expectations, yeah, the friendliness of the staff, everyone's very nice from the front door through to the, working with the trainer. But yeah, my personal progress is, for me, the most significant.
Progres yang paling signifikan untuk Chris itu balancingnya sih, dia gila banget. Kalau misalnya aku lihat dia pertama kali berdiri di Bosu, itu tuh berkali-kali dia jatuh. Maksud aku tuh dia kayak turun naik berkali-kali, tapi dia tetap ngelakuin hal itu karena yang aku lihat itu dia punya dedikasi sama semangat yang tinggi untuk bisa ngelakuin hal tersebut. Jadi dia tuh kayak ngerasa ke challenge gitu loh, kayak tertantang buat gua harus bisa gitu loh.
When you come here to Paradigm Fitness, you're not just coming to a gym, you're coming to a very personal family type of setup where you walk in and you say hello to the girl on the front desk, Rusty, and then there's normally a coach or many coaches who are just working, and as I walk by to the locker room they say hello, hi Chris, how are you doing? It's very comfortable, very comfortable. The most beneficial exercise I've done with Mail is the stretching, particularly in my upper legs, lower groin. Those muscles were all incredibly tight. But bit by bit, they're getting looser, and that's meaning I've got better flexibility. And the work we've done on my core, even the boring farmer's walk, actually has helped to stabilize my body. Now I'm thinking like this rather than not thinking at all. I'm thinking about holding in my stomach to concentrate the energy, and that gives me a lot more stability. Mile and I work on the basis of progression. Everything is back to progression. It gets really boring sometimes, he says, for progression, but that's the only thing that works. So my next goal is really just to get better and better, to be able to improve, and ultimately I hope I will lose weight and be able to get into my XL shirts, but I'm actually now not worried about that. I'm just happy to feel that I'm getting there in my own time, my own pace, and most of all that I can walk feeling more balanced and more in control. Because I had an illness which affected my nerves, and that in turn affected the muscles. But now with the hope of Coach Mail, I'm doing much better. 2 thumbs up for Mail. Paradigm Fitness, it's your future.
It's your future.